Back. Hope you are recharged after the tea break and ready for the next session. Now I request N.V. Ramana sir, Chairman DS Chapter, Hyderabad, to start his session.
Back, everybody. We are already late. Friends, we are talking about AI program production and distribution. It's very, we know everybody is watching TV. The term called broadcast is involved over there. From there, content creation and how distribution is taking place is the key factor. Particularly easy students, the key factor is distribution. So in our case here, how AI is being affected or giving advantages to program production, rather content creation, as well as distribution. Of course, the core technology is same techniques only. Make use of those techniques to this application is the only our main agenda behind this topic. So we already know that artificial intelligence is a big word. We talk so many times, so many ways. Conveniently we use it, conveniently we throw it. But artificial intelligence is applicable nowadays. It's a big buzzword in every. So now I am presenting in the perspective of broadcasting. You are witnessing day-to-day life nowadays through artificial intelligence. How, where are these things I want to present to you. You can ask questions wherever you feel free. So basically artificial intelligence, of course, it's known to everybody. Data learning and it's giving model creating. That's nothing but standard. So the key concepts are nothing but same. Machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and generated AI. And NLP, language learning, all those things. So these are the main concept algorithms associated with any of the AI application. Even in broadcasting also, these are applied as it is. Now coming to here, media and broadcasting. Again, media and again, people are maybe confusing. Broadcasting is nothing but the sending signal to viewer, to many people, to mass media. Nothing matter TV broadcasting or radio broadcasting is being there. So I'm talking about TV broadcasting. So here AI matters now. AI matters in our broadcasting from automation because it is flexibility of broadcasting is very limited. Traditional broadcasting. So manual to automation is very much essential. Manual mode to automation is very much essential. So where this AI is driving that automation is the important point. Next is personalization. Okay, this is a very important factor. It is drifting from traditional broadcasting and smart distribution. Last is cost-effective, scalable workflows. These are the four mechanisms are revolving around for modern broadcasting. So we know that the media technology has evolved from long. The major change has come from after digitalization. So digital transmission, because of advanced DSP, you might be studying about advanced DSP. Because of advanced DSP, digital has made as a practical. Due to that practicality, so drastic change of whole life has changed. So DSP has contributed a lot. And compression is the one factor which is contributing a lot in our this thing. Everybody is going to, everybody is using MP4, MP3, blah, 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 whatever. So compression is very much contributing. Emerging technology is now is H265, and again advancement of H265. Recent one is level 10 also released, right? 2026. That means the more compression, more efficiency in the compression ratio, all those things have been achieving. Because of this only, this digitization effect is we are feeling. We are feeling the real difference between because of this digitization. Next important, of course, editing is very important. You people are also editing in everything, so many clips in your mobile itself. So became so easy because of non-linear effectiveness, non-linear system. And last is very important point is now from traditional, the system has become file-based. Since it has become file-based, now it is easy to adopt AI or emerge technology, whatever, wherever way you want to implement, it is became very easy. So digital has given immediate advantage for to go to media technology. Of course, digital technology came up 20 years before, 20 to 25 years before, but the advancement of those things, giving us more adapting nature to modern media technology. So next important point is the system. Now again important point. Usually nowadays everyone you see camera will be in old cases cameras have been given through cable. Nowadays instead of cable we are transferring everything through IP through Ethernet port. So through Ethernet port and OTT, combination of these has given now modern technology oriented system. Thus AI is becoming playing major role to contribute these convergence era. This is one important point everybody might be confusing with the CDN. CDN is the one way everybody is using, rather everybody is feeling that usage of CDN. You might be not knowing that CDN is nothing but Hotstar, YouTube, everything is backbone is CDN. So next important point is multi-device streaming. That is one important point AI is also contributing. Instead of giving signal to only TV, it is equally important to give to other devices like mobile, other devices like smart devices like iPod, so many other devices also there. Even digital signage products also contributing this type of streaming importance. So IP and OTT convergence is contributing this type of advancement. Next, again, of course, HD and 4K, now the resolution is increasing, bitrate efficiency is increasing due to compression. All those 4K is now evident, and also Japan is right now is already tested 8K transmission production. They have successfully done through AI. So I mean to say, advancement in the large scale of screens, advancement in the clarity of the content is also going one direction, and the devices multiple level is going in another direction. So network from is again latency issues and interface issues are evolving through networking advancement like 4G, 5G. Sir has already told about those things. So high speed connectivity, mobile streaming, low latency broadcasting is very much important. So this is contributing this one in a networking evolution. So finally, what I mean to say, analog to digital, digital to high level resolution from OTT with OTT. Now we are witnessing OTT. Touch devices are AI driven features. Now we are going to witness complete AI driven content. So, as of now, partially we are already witnessing AI-driven media. How all those things I will come up with that one. So, finally, our media technology is evolving from manual to automated, and content to fixed content to data-driven decisions. Depending on your decision, the data has been changing. Rather, content has been changing. Personalization of this one. Next is broadcast to personalized media. These are the core important points which we are drifting from traditional to modern. So in our media industry, AI is contributing content creation is the major role, very important role, content creation, program automation, and third one is editing and post-production. These are the content areas. You know what we always talk about broadcast is evolves with three major blocks. One is conceiving level, rather production level. Second is transmission, rather distribution level. Third one is receiving, nothing but your own devices like TV or mobile, whatever. So here we are talking about the two type of blocks. Devices already you are having. So our target as a broadcaster, my target is to give my signal to all your devices. So my AI role is comes up in the production area, rather conceiving area, and second is distribution area. So this is our video production workflow. That's everyone knows this one, but I am categorically organized way. I am telling. There are some area is the pre-production area, some area is the production area, and next area is post-production area. But major is the pre-production and production area. Already AI already drive so many content. So from production, if you go directly without post-production, it's as good as live. Okay, it's as good as live means from production it's going to directly to your devices without post-production. So the basic of production blocks are like this. So in AI, how AI contributing pre-production? So first is script. Nowadays AI assisting script drafting. You are not supposed to write any draft. If you ask the AI to give a script for your theme, for your story, it is ready to give. It's already adapted. It's already so many news. I will come up. I will show the newsrooms of as of now. What are the newsrooms adapted this one? So what I mean to say, AI assisted script drafting is now existing. So NLP based tone and language adoption. That means if you give in English, it is readily available in all other languages within no time. So NLP is a technique of AI tool. So you have to learn in your books, your academic year, NLP technology might have studied. So NLP based tone and language adoption is there in pre-production. And again, faster revision and iterations. But if you have the multiple copy, multiple revisions, it is so quick. So you can generate within no time. So story script AI is majorly contributing in script development. Instead of manually, AI is already giving CNN already adapted script development through AI. Next is storyboarding and visualization. What to do? You want to do any reel, or you want to do some film, or you want to do some 3 minutes or 4 minutes story. You have to scene by scene, whatever you want to do. Scene by scene, cutting by cutting, which video, which audio, all those things it makes for you. Instead of you thinking, AI will think for you, and it will create complete storyboard for you. So this is a storyboard, and if you give, already if you give some text, image is going to be generated through AI. Like so many tools are there nowadays, AI tools. So here in broadcasting also, we are essentially using, by giving simple text, we are able to generate the images, videos nowadays. Next, very important is this one. So far in broadcasting is one side. If I give signal to you, you receive it. That's all. Acknowledgement is very difficult in a traditional broadcasting. With the emergence of IP technology and OTT, now it has become into take care of the remarks, the feedback from the viewers. So this is the area where trend analytics, automatically AI is doing trend analytics. If people are watching more KBC program, it will give you more KBC programs continuously. If people are watching dance program more, it is automatically changes content accordingly. So AI is taking care of data-driven content planning. So TRPs and TRPC ratings, there is a ratings. So again, castings, whom to take, because it's the depending on script, whom to take, all those things also AI is making efforts for you. So finally, in a okay,
Last one is script AI, storyboarding, and trend analysis. Finally, casting analysis. All these things are the part of pre-production. After analyzing these production plans, all those things, real production plans takes place. Real shooting is takes place. So this is the where AI is already we are using in the major part of this one we are using. We have tools. So now second part is AI program production. This is the one area very drastic changes are going to come here. Even it's very tough area this one. We usually do so much production using multi-camera. Even in our sports, all those things, sports, everything we use. In sports, if you are watching, we are doing cricket with 36 cameras. So, out of 36 camera, which camera to be taken, when to take, what to take, how to take, all these things, parameters, nowadays AI is controlling. So, AI camera auto framing is readily available. It's already been done in major sports events, particularly football league. So next is one more very critical component is even our colleagues also might not be knowing that AI lighting of lighting of a studio or lighting of the sceneries have been controlled by AI as of now. So using your data, using your theme planning, you just give some commands and you write some commands, it automatically does everything. So that is the thing. KBC and Sony TV is adapted this one. KBC, I mean, Amitabh Bachchan company they have adapted. So again, next point is real-time translation, real-time dubbing is very much essential tool for this thing. Real-time translation. If Modi's, our honorable PM speaks in English, we are supposed to get everything in Telugu or in any language. So these tools are we already developed, indigenously developed by our India. So many software companies are there in Hyderabad itself. This is the real-time translation and dubbing is already adopted. So, and next is auto captioning and subtitling. Subtitling, sometimes you are watching subtitling. Nowadays, every OTT is giving subtitling. So it's automatically giving. Some tools have been trained such that to give this one. So finally, virtual production with green mat, how to do all those things, all these connections also, this thing. So this is the segment of a program production. Coming to post-production. Post-production is the four components here. One is editing. Post-production means after you make raw content, you want to finish the product. You want to make the program finishing. So the editing is required. Scene. So here very important point is automated editing and scene detection. If you want to edit some ex-boy content, suppose from the raw content, you give that feature and they have the training module. If you train that voice features there, automatically it extracts from that content, automatically all voice, wherever it is there, the content is going to be extracted. So that easy to editing in further way. So that is the adapted practice, automated editing and scene detection. This NHK already adopted this one. NHK Japan broadcaster. So again, next auto captioning, subtitling is in editing technology also is there, and corrections. Very important point is the corrections. Nowadays, very important. Old films have been made in a color. You are watching old black and white films have been made in a color in the environment. Even Mughal Azam, of course, that was Eastman color. Subsequently, it was made in a true color. So what I meant to say that when there is a tools are available, so audio and noise, color, audio, noise or color correction is being done in a post-production area. So all these primary production areas, we are witnessing AI in all segments. So within no time, you will see everything in AI. Everything, even I will give examples also. So next, generative AI. Generative AI means generating images and data, voice, those things. AI generated visuals and voice scripts are nowadays very popular. You might be niching AI generated videos you might be witnessing. So through generative AI, content creation is now very evident. synthetic anchors or news readers are nowadays is there. Yeah, I will. So I want to say that these are all are AI generated news readers. So what India today, our India Today group introduced Sana, one of the India's first AI news anchor. Okay, next, OTV launched Orsa TV, Lisa and Odia language AI anchor. These are all practically available models and talking. So these AI anchors are deliver real-time news updates. That means any news updates you want to have it. So immediately, this AI anchor, you set whatever anchor you want. You see here in the news there are list of anchors are here. You just anchor, you give the AI some data, whatever breaking coming, it automatically generates news update through anchor. Without anchor also, graphics mode also you can generate automatically. So deliver real-time news updates present in regional language. Whichever language is there, we can. So fast updation with the news scripts and data. So this is already emerged in private news channels. So next is I'm coming to second layer is distribution. So far I'm talked about production perspective. Now I am talking about distribution perspective. Distribution perspective, you see in a traditional, this is left side you see studio, MSR, uplink, satellite, viewer. This is our traditional chain. Means studio or playout, whatever. You just have it just playing something, you are getting through satellite or through cable, you are getting TV in your home. Okay? So there is a uplink terminal or that some way. So there is this is the traditional distance. So where we can do AI in this our chain? This is the low level of distribution. I mean, AI contribution is very low level here. Nothing, very small contribution only. Some softwares are there. Only it contributes metadata tagging, what is its content. That's all. That much only. It's not big level of AI contribution in this traditional one. Okay, so after converting into VIP, after converting into OTT, then only our AI role has become evident. So metadata tagging, schedule optimization, basic audience analysis, basic analysis, all these logs and conventional logs, all those things. There is no much there. This is the basic level of distribution contribution of AI. Now, if I come into second point. This is the real we are facing now. Distribution is intermediate level of AI. There is a AI engine. What is AI engine is different. Okay, data is coming now instead of video. Now it is being considered as a IP data or data, which is coming to some server sort of engine, which is coming to recommendations or CDN or metadata. What I mean to say. So depending on you might have observed. If you are watching any Netflix, if you watch YouTube or Netflix, anything, if you watch one regarding class, any subject, next time you will see all same videos. Am I right? Same videos of that category. So that means AI indirectly working and depending on recommendation system, viewing history, depending on your history, depending on you, what you are viewing. It is adapting accordingly, giving you this thing. So AI engine is there, which gives you that one. So recommendation system is working there. So there is a recommendation in server, which gives you all these adaptable nature of the content to you. So language preferences, time of day, all those comes under recommendation system. This is the first category of this thing. So next is smart content delivery. This is the CDN optimization. I don't know how many are being convergent with CDN. CDN is nothing but content distribution network. This is nothing but a type of distribution network, a type of IP distribution. But you have to have more number of edge servers. I have a slide for you also. This is a simple thing. Nothing but there are so many edge servers. That means if you want to watch YouTube at your college, that YouTube content operators are whomever be there, they might have put some server sort of things to deliver to stream to you. If this is been, if instead of 10, if you increase this to 1 lakh people here, that edge server will automatically migrate to n number. So similarly, if you want to watch same thing at LB Nagar, so there will be there one more server there. So this is the keeping at server at every location and migrating, adapting and synchronizing and all these things is comes under CDN. That's all. So CDN is the giving you IP signal to each user, each individual user. So this is the way it is interpreting. These are here, so many users are there, so many debbas are there, all these are the nothing but edge servers. So keeping on increasing edge servers gives you seamless signal to everyone. So nothing but that is I mean to say content delivery is the smartness of content delivery means AI is doing. If any big traffic is there in this college, automatically edge server capacity is going to be increased by AI. So it will take more storage, it will take more VM resources, so that its server capacity will increase, so that it can cater that capacity. So smart delivery optimization, CDN optimization is being taken place here in this point. I already explained. So next is automated metadata. Metadata means the content, what it is, where it is, whom it, I mean all the content, the details of the content. So that is the means the phases of the if any content is there, who are there in the content, what are the scenes, all those things, metadata automatically being generated. It's a big hurdle in your conventional system. Because somebody has to ask that frame by frame, he has to mark that one Modi is in this frame and the Modi voice is coming in this frame, and behind some visuals are like this, we have to mark. This is being done automatically by AI at this point. So next, audience behavior. As I already told, depending on audience preferences, this content is being modified. So next is so far I am discussed about the distribution at intermediate level. Initially I told at the basic level, this is intermediate level. So far we are witnessing majorly at intermediate level only. All people who are watching Hotstar, all this thing is this type of criteria we are witnessing. So now we are going to advanced level. That way it is going. So again, here it is hyper-personalized broadcasting. Even hyper-personalized means it is one-to-one changing, and even that same server will give you one room is one way, and second room it gives to second stream in a second manner and second content variation. Content is here, content same is evident now, because this stream is different, that stream is different. But within stream, content also varying. That is more hyper personalized broadcasting. It is also evolving. It is by 2026, and we are going to build for you. The same film come in a different direction. Same film come to others in different manner. That is the main point here. So different user get different version of same content. Ads, language, already we are witnessing. Ads are automatically coming. Already witnessing, but ads to user may differ. Subscribers already we are witnessing. Subscribers who are taking subscribers, they are not getting ads. Whereas even ads to ads, if you are watching ads of very good ads, it will give you similar type of ads to you. It may not give to other person. So this type of ads, this thing is hyper personal broadcasting is readily available. AI tools are there. So multi-platform, again I told you, instead of giving only TV, it will ready to give to OTT, all mobile, smart TV, OTT apps, all TVs it's ready to give. Adjust bitrate accordingly, adjust content accordingly. So next AI-based ad insertion, I told that one ad insertion is being done through AI. So wherever it requires, it insert. Wherever it wants, it can avoid it. That's why sometimes if you watch free content, you watch an ad for 10 seconds initially. Sometime after some time, you may watch an ad for 50 seconds through YouTube. So such things is automatically being driven by AI. That is the point here. So finally, these are the advancement in a distribution level. Now, in our operation level. That means if I come into my operation level, I mean how to operate my infrastructure. There also AI is contributing. What I mean to say, this quality control is the one of the big parameter in our thing where we are usually monitor manually. We watch film content whether it is there or not. For that one, all broadcasters keep so many manpower to watch only content. If any glitch is there, they are very serious about the even single frame glitch. So why don't we make it the quality control through AI? That is being done in a quality control here. So AI powered based QC system is readily available by which from content we can identify where is the blank, where is the silent, where is the glitch, where is the noise. All those things can be controllable through AI. So next is automated workflows. Automated workflows means scheduling. Our scheduling. We usually give scheduling manually. We keep schedule as per our plan. But scheduling can be adaptable. Scheduling can be done dynamically. Dynamic changes can be done. So due to the AI, this is possible. So that I mean to say, automated workflows. AI gives you workflows for scheduling and okay, resource allocation. These are all the operational issues, not for you, for not viewing perspective. These are the broadcaster operation perspective. So now I am coming to this real this thing. Here you see AI newsroom is readily available nowadays. Okay, newsroom is generally, there are people are there, they used to collect content, they used to write, they used to make some script, they used to edit, then finally they want to publish into a storyline. Then story goes to TV and somebody reads it, and according to image or graphic or video is been incorporated along with the story, that is then news item is being presented to you. This is the traditional way. But here, this is coming to AI powered newsroom. What it means? Instant reporting. As I told, as I given just before one example, as soon as any message comes from social media, from WhatsApp, from Telegram channel, whatever, it automatically generates news item through anchor, synthetic anchors, or through automatically generated script, and then it comes to for human intervening to verify the exactness of that one or actual content verification, fact checking, all those things, issues are going to be there in this one. So the tools which are having automatic generation and fact checking, real time data, and any adding this graphics on that one is readily, AI newsroom is readily available, and it's doing right nowadays. So in AI newsroom workflow, basically the news sources are there. News sources means collecting resources from all other available media. News gathering, that means it's getting data from either social media or trend. I mean, automated news aggregation, that means it may come from WhatsApp automatically, it may come from Voice automatically. Somebody giving punches something, it comes automatically to your center. All those things are news. How they are getting news? If anything, a bomb blast happened in any Kammo, within no second it should come to here. So those things are their backbone. So this news gathering is also being done in a this is the first part of in a newsroom workflow. And the AI in news production, in a production perspective. So once news aggregation came, news came. That means like one message came regarding that one. It automatically script has been generated, and it is assigned some anchor to there. And automatically video, AI-based video also been generated. If any bomb blast has been happened there, so how bomb blast has been happening here, that can be generated through AI. AI video has been generated. So automatic video editing is possible. Real-time graphics access is there. All this there in AI workflow in CNN right now. So again, AI and news delivery. So again, this when it comes to newsroom, the first nowadays it's the principle of news persons is first delivery is digital. First you deliver news into mobile or social media or X or wherever. Then they are concentrating on TV. Nowadays, mobile first, digital first. So news delivery also required very quick mechanism. So where AI is contributing there, so it is multi-platform distribution. All engines are being recommendation and engines are being evolving such that it gives information within no time. So finally, these are the, I mean, with the BBC, I mean, Global AI News Network, these are the contributing they are already, everybody is working in on the AI newsrooms. All these are already having AI newsrooms. Of course, Reuters and AP are the news agencies. NHK is having, but CNN is real advanced in this one. BBC is first, they will verify it, the authentication, then only they will go. So now next important factor is, I think 5 minutes. Next important is sports broadcasting. You are also allowed to see those things in a sports broadcasting. We are already witnessing. But sports broadcasting means, what I mean say, real-time player analysis. If any cricket is going on, so you want to extract, again and time, you want to extract all sequences of Dhoni or all sequences of Virat Kohli. If you train that model with Virat Kohli, from that live scenes, it extracts Virat Kohli, it will generate automatical video highlights for Virat Kohli shots. So that is the meaning of AI sports broadcasting. It is already there in existing already. Even all tennis matches as on now, highlights have been generated through AI. You might have heard what it called Wimbledon, US Open, all these immediate news highlights are coming through this one. So real-time player, this thing, automated camera tracking. So some cameras have been driven by AI so that it tracks Virat Kohli only automatically. So these are the, you might be seeing, you see, US Open, this is the hockey innovations is there. Nowadays, the hockey is been continuously been through AI. You people are witnessing this one, you in IPL, this thing, all this thing, LBW, all those, this thing. All these are being now with cameras are there with, throughout the stadium. They are converting and they are giving within no time calculated version and projecting projectile way to you. So umpire decisions and all those things, you know, tennis match decisions. You see that, and that last image I shown the cameras. Around 8 to 10 cameras have been deployed throughout the stadium. They are continuously working through AI. It will generate within no time, so that umpire can get views of with impression of those graphical impression, so that he can take a judgment. So umpire review umpires, all those things comes through AI only. So line callings, LVM, LBW lines, gold line technology, all those things come based on these innovations. And again, Wimbledon AI, this is the one Wimbledon is adopted. That means they, professional players, they want their mistakes. So AI, Wimbledon AI sets have started, instead of broadcasting, they have started the analysis of players' playing capability, playing errors, all those things. All those statistics gives to improve their performance. So this already Wimbledon is giving on payment basis, player is to get all type of data of their own performance. So next is, these are the cameras I have shown you. These are the automated cameras through AI. Depending on scene, depending on character, depending on training version, it will automatically do. So this way we used extensively in football leagues nowadays. Football leagues, this has been extensively used in a small school or college sports. They keep 2-3 AI cameras. They left just keep there only, so that it does every production. So sports small productions nowadays nobody is deployed. Production team is not deployed. AI is doing everything. So now coming to entertainment, last of course entertainment one. AI also been nowadays controlling drones and cameras. Actual cameras are already controlling. Drones also been controlled. So drones, how the characters have been extracted through drones. All those things are there. So again, augmented reality experience is the one area where AI is there. The drone footage, adaptive streaming, augmented reality, all these are there in entertainment and events sector. So there is a one immersive technology is also emerging through AR. So this is AR, VR. Have you ever heard about this thing? AR means augmented reality, VR is virtual reality, XR is extended reality. So yeah, so this is for games, virtual reality is being used. For games, people are maybe using even. So AR means extension of augmented reality only. So that means reality just keeping reality along with some reality with some augmented series have been inbuilt so that it is been through AR. So VR is completely virtual. XR means AR, a mixture of AR and VR is going to be there. So finally, if I quote global Indian broadcasters, NHK is ahead in all AI adopting in broadcast. Netflix is a personalized engine. Is they are using 80% viewing in via recommendations only. I told you recommendations only. So Netflix adopts 80% this. AI thumbnails and rows have been generated by Netflix. So predictive CDN delivery. So it predicts you. Again, I am telling you, it's very good technology. It's been driven because if you are watching more on thriller, it predicts you. Then it will give you that edge server is loaded with thriller content. Like that, predictive CDN delivery has been adopted in Netflix. YouTube, of course, behavior-based recommendations, billion of users, all those things can be watchable. Auto captions and translation nowadays coming. So Geo Cinema is giving live streaming. Of course, nowadays Geo Cinema is